As you know, nowadays WhatsApp is just become more insecure, and their data sharing policy that they share their users data with Facebook or other, that it's just make them more insecure. And for that reason now most of the users become just disturbed with these WhatsApp, that what they do. And still now I'm also more disturbed with these, what they happen, what the hell is there. And here they just sharing their all the data with their users, with their with their Facebook and other markets as their revenue purpose. So in this video I'm going to talking with about some alternatives like the WhatsApp. So here after 8 days I just here in front of this camera, don't know what will happen in the next, but I just make this video for you. So here in this video I'm going to introduce you with a new app. This is for BIP, that is BIP, BIP app, just created by Turkish. So in this video I'm going to introduce you with this BIP, that how it works and how you can use this BIP app, and does it really safe for you or not. In this video I'm going to talking with about. So I'm sajidz. Before starting this video, there are requests. If you're not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if it is still also, thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So here you guys in my mobile phone screen, so I will show you how you can use this BIP. First of all, we will download and install this BIP. You will get it in the Google Play Store or App Store, wherever. So here from I just go to in the Google Play Store from here. So here you will get this BIP messaging, voice and video calling app. Here BIP AS. Here you can see the statistics, 4.5 rating, 1 million reviews yet, rated for 3+, and here still now it has got 50 million plus downloads. That means within some days it become more popular. So most of the people use it. You can also. So in this case, first of all, here I just open it, and here as you know, here it's a simple app. So here you need to click on this. Here you'll get the get BIP in, and from here click on this continue, and here from you need to allow all your these things, and from here you can get two things: get verification code or buy a virtual number. So in this case, if you want to verify your phone number, that time type your phone number and that's all. Or if you don't want to get your phone number and you want to get a virtual number, so here you can click on this buy a virtual number. That means here you need to pay them to create your own virtual number. As I don't want, so here I will verify my own mobile number here. So in this case I will just add my mobile number and click on this get verification code. Now click on this confirmation, and here it will send you some messages here with 5-digit code, and here you can see it's already verified here. Now you need to allow your, and here you need to give your phone number on the name and the images, then done. That's all. And here from you can now allow your contact, call logs, everything. Now that's all. Now you are ready to get them to make messages, call to your friend by your BIP. So in this case here you can see some of my friends also already joined yet in this BIP. So here from you can also customize your things from here. Here all the things, selected items in my this. Here I can only message and call, but here from I can also add a gaming option here. I can also add my call list, contact list option here, dial pad option, the camera option, start and messages, whatever I want. So in this case I can do it, and that's all. Now click on this save, and it will be saved here. You can see here message, call, discover, contact list, more. Here you can get it. So here from you can also click on this, and from here you can change your name here, whatever you want, and you can also add your own images from here too. And after that you can down it. That's all. And here you can also use it in the BIP web in your desktop too, whatever like this. Just you will get a QR code or something like this, a QR code, and you just once you just open your desktop with this web.bip.com, and you need to just verify your QR code as it is like the WhatsApp. So here you can also invite your friend from here by your messages, mail and other app, what if you want. So in the settings also you will get some awesome settings. This is for your appearance. Go to the appearance. Here you will get some settings here like this. This will be your color like this or like that, whatever. So in this case you can use those colors as your appearance here in your and the chat settings. In the chat settings, this is the backup. If your backup is enabled, that time it will also take your backup from here. Show services messages separately or automatically download when it's enabled your Wi-Fi or never. That means if your friend just send you some gallery, that media type messages, that time it will automatically download or not. In this case I make it never, so that it will not download as it just consume your storage. So here from the save to gallery, if you want to save all the downloaded media in your gallery, you can enable it. Or here from, if you just add it as a last scene, if you turn off last scene off, you will not be able to see last scene status of your contacts. That means your friend will not get that whenever you are in the last scene or not. Or here the same things that's in the WhatsApp, this is a read recipient. If you just turn off this, you will not be added to see read recipients. That means if you seen your messages, if you seen messages of your friends, that time also it will not notify them how you just see your messages or not. So these are the things. Sticker and the memes preview, you will also get the meme preview here too. And here also you can add your payment settings here too. By your add your address, subscription or my cards, you can add your debit or credit card too. So here in the privacy option you can add a passcode or touch ID too. Here you can add a passcode here like this. I just add my passcode 123456. This is for just a show of password. So I will change this passcode, and here from you can add your passcode or unlock with touch ID. In this case here I will enable this. First of all give ID and then give it again and then unlock with touch ID. It will be auto lock immediately whenever passcode required here like this. Now here I just off it, and from here I will on this beep here. Once it on, you need to give your confirmation with fingerprint. That time it will on. So in this case also it just add the same feature of the WhatsApp too. So this will be your blueprint point that you must have to know about this, and I hope now you're ready to go with your this BIP app. So here after watching this video, what you feel that you should use this BIP? Still now I'm using this BIP as I just create this tutorial for you. So and I will use this BIP in the continuous. So I always recommend you to use this BIP instead of WhatsApp, IMO, this type of social calling media. So you can use this. This will be really interesting and very helpful, effective and more secure for you, as their government, Turkish government also promised to secure your data on their database. So in this case you can use it, as Erdogan also promised that they will secure all the data. So it's really helpful for you too. So in this case you can use it, and I also recommend you to use it. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, after watching this video, what you feel? Guys, if you feel you must have to use this BIP that time, I request you please give a like that video. And if you don't think so, whatever you can do. You can give a dislike, make some bad comment or whatever you want. So no more today guys. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.